say, girl, you fine. I'm tryna make you mine. I ain't tryna waste no time. Hop in my ride. Got a whip parked outside. Got a condo, we can go slide. Know I got pride, but I put that to the side. Think I need that on my side. Look at them thighs. Look at that waist. Look at them hips. Look at that face. She know that I'm a thug. I ain't going on a date.
Hey guys, it's Brooke. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a wig. The hair I'm using is from Julia Hair. This is their water wave hair, and I'm gonna be doing this over like the course of a week. So if the video looks different every clip, that's why. I'm using some brown nylon thread and a seed needle, and this is 18 inches. So of course that's gonna go at the bottom of the wig cap. So I'm probably gonna start like right here. My mannequin head is smaller. First you wanna just go through the weft. If you're gonna be starting it, it's easier to go ahead and go through the weft and then attach it to the cap. Okay, then we're just going to attach it down here. Go through it kind of like right here. So I'm just gonna go through the cap. I'm pulling string through, and then you want to separate it and put the needle through to knot it. I'm just gonna sew through the weft though because it's easier. So I push it through the weft first and then pull it through. And once it gets really small like this, hold up, you wrap it around. Just to knot it. You just keep going through the weft. And then through the net.
I be fantasizing about to close my eyes and watch you dance. I know you don't trust these niggas, I'm just trying to be your man. Girl, I come from the street, so that ain't hard to understand. But I want you to be mine, and I mean that I ain't playing. I know I look like a player, but just please give me a chance. I ain't think about these groupies, man, them bitches just some fans. But I know you a real one, and I need you in my hands. And right here by my side, that's why I want you to stand. If you want it, then you got it, girl, your wish is my command. And you just take them off, I'm the one that wear the pants. Yeah, I'm gonna lay it down and how you bragging to your friends. And now I ain't just talking, I'm gonna show you what I'm saying. I was heartless till I found it in you. You make me happy and my smile is the proof. If I ain't kicking it with you, I'm spending time in the stew. My homies say you changed, nigga, I can't front 'cause it's true. I love this vibe, I know you feeling it. I know you was gonna be mad way before we ever spoke. You know about the life I'm living, you know about the guns I tote. And you walk around untouched 'cause they know why I do the most. I can't let you get away, and that's why I hold you close. And we won't never fall off, but I know that's what they hope. I can't keep my hands up off you, hit the lights and lock the door. Tongue kiss you while I'm in it, we gon' take it nice and slow. Look you in your eyes with my hands around your throat. I be fucking her with passion, feeling deep just like my stroke. And one time ain't enough, you keep me coming back for more. Baby, I'm hooked on your love, you got me feeling cause you dope. Yeah, I'm a sucker for you, I ain't scared to let it show. Been that nigga for you, met me, but you put me in my glow. It's like music to my ears when you laughing at my jokes. You bring out the other side that these folks can't get to know. One day we gon' have some kids and just sit back and watch them grow. I'm gon' change the way you think and I'm gon' change your last name. Just boss up on your exes, girl, them niggas was some lames. But I realize your work, so I just can't keep you the same. Let the world know what's up, I even let you rock my chain. We used to just be texting, remember you was playing games. Now you sitting in my arms, girl, look at how far we came. You brighten up my life, I was so used to feeling pain. I swear this shit so real, it's like words can't explain. Can't nobody replace you, and you know that for a fact. You know you my baby, why you tripping, just relax. We might argue, we might break up, but we always come right back. I might front like I don't miss you, but you know that's just an act. It's just like you understand me, and that's why I'm so attached. And yeah, I fuck with gang, but it's just me, you, and this sack. But this money don't be nothing, truth be told you all I got. When I want you, pull up on you, send that text like where you at.
Okay, for the flip over, flip it over like this and go through piece of the track that's gonna flip over. And then go through the neck, just like that.
I was single for a while, so it's taking me a while to open up my thoughts. Been feeling so lost, you don't know the half of it. Can you ride with me, talk with me, even if you are busy? Really split your heart with me.
I'm gonna zoom y'all in on me ending this track. I've already went through the loop. Well, not the track, but this piece of thread, and I'm just going to go through right here to make a knot, basically. Go through right here. Just to knot. Then I'm going to cut the thread, and then we're going to just tie it. I hope my hand wasn't in the way the whole time, because then that would be cringy. But yeah, I'm gonna tie it a little loop. Know what I'm saying? We're gonna do that like 3 times just to make sure it's secure. You don't have to knot it every time, but because I did double weft, I felt like I should just be double knotting it. Okay, y'all, so I have my closure now. I just finished bleaching it or whatever, and it's wet, but is that gonna stop me? No. It's the closure. It's already like places along to place it in the middle, but you can pull it down just a little bit. Pin it down. Pin the other side down and make sure you kind of pull on it a little bit so that it stretches. I've pinned the closure down, but I'm still gonna just comb some hair, well, all of the hair actually. I'm gonna comb all of the hair to the front so that way I can really, what's the problem? I don't have another safety pin, so that's just gonna have to do. If you can't get the closure down far enough, it's fine, because you're gonna end up cutting this part of the wig cap anyway. So okay, so starting right here, we're just going to go through the net and also through the closure. Do our little knot, whatever. Right there at the closure, or the beginning of the closure, right here. And then we're just going to continue to do that till we get to about right here where this pin is. And then we're going to start another thread and go down the back and then the side. Now if you don't want to knot your closure all the way through, because some people don't like doing that. If you don't want to do that, you don't really have to do that, but I do it because I want my closure to be secure, you know. Okay, now I'm going to sew down the back side and try to make this as flat as possible.
Knew it was real when I got to meet his mom. He spent the night and wake up to it, no alarm. We got a chemistry, a real strong bond. He better listen when I wanna clear my mind. You my therapy, that's when you stare at me. Only nigga fucking me, hope that you ain't judging me. Judging ya, better half, and it's no amount of gas that could ever come between us. Fuck who don't believe us. You in my screen like Martin Luther King. King fast bad, making love up on the springs. Spring to the fall, fall to the winter. I'm so in love and I hope that you consider making me a girlfriend, making me a girlfriend. I'm ready for commitment. Yeah, just for hours about the way you made me feel. You call me up, I hear your voice and get the chills. Don't overthink it, I'm thinking about you every week. 1 in the morning, I'm on while you on top of me. You know that I can control your emotions. Clear as the ocean, no more lies. No more lies. Okay, now I'm going to sew this side down. Starting where we left off it. Go through the net.
So y'all, I've actually ended up finishing sewing the wig. It's taken me a little bit, but I'm basically done. I'm just trying to fill in this little part right here, just so it's more full in the front. I still have like a lot of my 14. No, I don't even think this is my 14. No, it is my 14-inch bundle. I still have some of my 14-inch bundle left. I probably won't use it. I'm going to be showing you guys how to customize the wig or the closure really quick. Okay. So I'm gonna take a comb. I'm also gonna take a pen so that way I can get it precise, because I really want it right in the middle. So first, that's what I'm going to do. All you want to do is just start tweezing. Now you can go back a little bit more with your part if you want. I'm not going to go that far back because I don't really like deep parts, and you're just going to grab and pluck. And see, the hair is coming out a lot easier because I've already dyed it or bleached it. You don't want to over pluck, and you also don't want to pluck your baby hairs out. You're gonna need some wig clips, kind of like this. I'm going to put on this last wig clip right here, maybe, just so that there's one on each side. I might have to go back and add some more, I don't know. Cut, but not exactly where the knots are. Just cut it off. So with our closure, it'll seem like it's skin cis and not just black underneath their wig. Yeah, like I said, I'm going to put some mousse on it. Pull the baby hairs out. Now, I can't really customize it because it's not on my head, but we just gonna basically mold it to our liking. And we can put products in it later when it's like actually in my hair.
To my ears when you laughing at my jokes. You bring out the other side that these hoes can't get to know. One day we gon' have some kids and just sit back and watch them grow. I'm gon' change the way you think and I'm gon' change your last name. Just boss up on your exes, girl, them niggas was some lames. But I realize your work, so I just can't you do the same. Let the world know.
I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later.